Meaning of fibrous.
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 Fibrous. Fibrous refers to a material or tissue that is composed of or containing fibers, which are thread-like structures. These fibers can be either natural or synthetic and have a strong, tough quality. For example, fibrous foods such as vegetables and fruits have long, stringy fibers that aid in digestion and provide a feeling of fullness. When used to describe tissue, a fibrous mass may be dense and difficult to break apart, making it challenging to remove surgically. In summary, fibrous denotes a material or tissue that is rugged, stringy, and dense due to the presence of fibers.